Hey everybody, just using Google Hangouts here. Got my audio and my video working. Audio wasn't working in our orientation session, and video wasn't working for a while for me this morning. But I'm telling you, reboot. That's the number one step to troubleshooting. I want to share with you something that I've created for a Dropbox for your assignments on our Google site. So I'm just going to switch over to a screen share here and let you see what I've done. So on our home page here, under Welcome, I've added your assignment Dropbox. And all it is a Google form embedded in the page here. And what I want you to do every time you do an assignment, like this week, under week 1, you have a one-pager that I want you to submit. And so once you've written that up, you're going to go in here and put in your name. Last name first, please, so that I can sort your assignments and go and look at the big picture. I'll show you the spreadsheet in a second. Let me know if this was a group assignment or not, because you have that option on several of them. And then tell me which assignment it is. So if it's just weekly participation, like the one-pager for this week, you'll have several of those. And so select that, but then all the other major assignments for the semester are also listed here. So pick whichever one it is, and then what I want you to do is just paste in the link to your Google Doc or Google Form or Google Presentation or whatever you've created, because everything you're creating should be on Google Drive. Now, you have shared that with me in Google, but I also want you to put the link here. This is going to be a huge time saver for me, and a great way for me to organize, and something that you might be able to use in your classrooms if you use Google. So you submit that, and it'll show you that it's been submitted. And then I'll show you what I see. Now, this form has not been shared with you. It's only because I own it that I can pull it up. So here, if I go and I view my responses, then you'll see what people have put in. And so I'll be able to see what you've done. If I want to grade all of the weekly participation assignments at one time, I can filter down to just that. If I want to look at just Krista's assignments, I can filter down to just that. Obviously, once there's more information in here, it'll be more powerful. And then what I can do, because it'll all be right here on the spreadsheet, I won't have to go over into my Google Drive folder and look in here and try and find all the right files. You can see if I open, see, I'm a big Google Drive user. I have a lot of files. So those are just the ones that I own. And then incoming, those are all things that have been shared with me. And so you see the names of my past participants, past students, all that kind of stuff. But with this new form way of doing it, thank you to Lindsay Brouillard for this idea. Now I can just click the link to your document and it opens it right up for me. It doesn't have to be, I don't have to remember that, when I see it on my phone that you've submitted an assignment and I'm playing with Stella, I don't have to stop what I'm doing and go and make sure I copy the link to your file over into one of my folders. By having it in this spreadsheet, I always have the link directly to it, no matter where in the mess of Google Drive it is. So that's the point of this, and it's a great way for you to keep organized as well. So that's the assignment Dropbox. Back here on the page where it is, I'm going to put this video right here below it so you'll understand what I'm asking you to do. And as always, let me know if you have questions. I'm always here for you. I'm looking forward to working with you. Thanks, y'all.